In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a low-resolution logo into a high-resolution vector using Canva in just 5 minutes. This process is perfect for those of you looking to enhance the quality of your logos for printing or digital use. Let's dive right in and transform that pixelated logo into something crisp and clear. First, you'll want to head over to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a versatile online design platform that's user-friendly for both beginners and seasoned designers. Once you're on the homepage, look for the button that says Create a Design. It's usually prominently displayed and allows you to start a new project. Now that you've clicked on Create a Design, the next step is to upload your low-resolution logo. You can easily do this by locating the Upload button. This feature lets you bring in your image files so you can work directly on them within Canva. Simply select your logo file from your computer, and it'll appear in your Canva uploads. With your logo uploaded, it's time to click on it to bring it onto your blank canvas. You'll need to focus on the design area where your logo appears. From there, you want to select the Edit option. This allows you to make changes and apply different features to your logo. One of the key tools you'll be using is the Image Upscaler, which is found under the Apps section within Canva. This is a fantastic resource for improving the quality of your images by increasing their resolution. Look for the Image Upscaler app in the list and click on it. Once you've opened the Image Upscaler, you'll be prompted to choose the Upscale resolution. This is where you decide how much you want to enhance the resolution of your logo. Options can vary, but typically you'll want to choose a resolution that suits your end needs, whether it's for web use or print. After finalizing your resolution choice, the next step is straightforward. You'll simply click on Upscale. Canva will then work its magic. During this process, the platform enhances your logo, transforming it from low resolution to a much clearer, high-resolution vector format. It's a quick process, but the results are impressive, offering you a professional quality logo in no time at all. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've successfully converted a low-resolution logo into a high-resolution vector using Canva. I hope you found this walkthrough easy to follow and that you are pleased with your new, sharp-looking logo. If you're looking for more ways to improve your designs or learn about other tools within Canva, make sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and happy designing.